How you doing? One of these mornings. Good morning, YouTube. This is what we have for you today. Some beets. We're gonna pickle them. Let's go. Alright, so first things first. Gotta take a bath. I'm gonna put these in there first, and then I'm gonna boil this water. This will get these guys nice and soft and pliable, and we can peel the skin. Find you some nice jars, get them clean, get them to a temperature because these are going to be sterilized when I pour the hot liquids in here. Make sure they're at least at room temperature. We also got some onions and some garlic. You know what? Let's step it up. Let's get some carrots. This is what we're working with. I'm excited! The miracle of time. We got them all chopped up. You can cut them in whatever size you want them to be. And anybody else triggered by this? My thing is so friggin' dirty. It's so dirty. Anyway, let's check these guys out. Should be able to poke them with the fork easily. Gosh, it's like a living thing. Like the way that it just bled, kind of creeped me out. But once a fork goes through, they're good to go. Take it off the high heat. Let's get it. All right, so now you should be able to just pull the skin off. This is a little bit difficult for some reason. It should be easier. Sometimes you just get a good piece and it comes off, but this is being stubborn. It's not a better idea. I'm just gonna use this. And I save everything, right? Everything that the extras, these will all be used for compost or to feed everything. I don't waste anything. But if it's difficult, just grab yourself a little potato peeler. It's that simple. And looks like I just murdered something. So you might want to wear gloves. This stuff does stain. I'm pretty sure this can make like a paint or like a permanent coloring with this stuff. For me, I don't care. I mean, it is what it is. It's gonna come off eventually, even if I have to have purple hands for a day. I swear this is not normally this difficult. Normally you get a good piece and you get like 3 or 4 pulls and the skin comes off. Now keep in mind, this being a boiling method, that does kill off some of that beneficial stuff you get out of the vegetables. Purple hands! Look like I'm going to jail. I'm going to jail. It'll come off. Get your beets cut up into a respectable size. I like mine chunky. Do what you want. In my case, I am using a wide mouth jar, so I just need to be able to pull those out of there. Outside of that, though, you can have these in small little bits and bites, but freedom to do what you want. We're going to use the 1-1-1 method here. So 1 cup of water. I love this measuring cup. Makes it so simple. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. We're making a bath for all this as well. Get the sugars melted. 1 big old cup of sugar. 1 tablespoon of salt. Stir this frequently, get this melted down, and then this will also help sterilize. I'd suggest the wide mouth jars, and these orange parts are silicone. This is hot liquid, sugary, delicious, vinegary water. And this is going to help sterilize, and this is also going to help with the marinating or whatnot of the vegetables. You want to have it as high to the top as you possibly can get it. I'm going to need to make another batch of this for these big old jars. So just the amount you make, as long as the consistency is the same. There you have it. This is just a basic pickled beets recipe. We're going to put these in the fridge. Once they cool down, let me know if you have any questions. This is the best way for me to eat beets. This one actually needs more liquid. You want it covering to the very top. Pickled beets straight from your garden, guys. Like, I can't say more. That's hot. Let's grill.